he's just entered his long position at the double bottom of the 0.8 in the larger time frame. From this whole move up, we're at the 0.8. We also got the 1.618 extension from this move here. From that high to the low to the high, get the 1.618 in line with that 0.88 level there, guys. So you can see. So yeah, risking 1%, stop loss below the lows, and target the golden pocket.
All right, fellas. Price is indeed pushing up. Currently up 1.6 RR. Halfway there to full TP. See what happens, guys. Another update of this trade, guys. You can see we're just dancing around. This could easily just break down and tumble over. Just gonna let this one play out, guys. I got my alert set, so I'm just gonna go on about my day like I have been doing. All right, guys, you can see I've been stopped out as we nearly hit that golden zone level. You can see price actually did wick below. However, if we start trading above the 0.88, I might enter again. However, as long as we are below the 0.88, I am not looking to long. As soon as we start trading above it, start showing signs of strength, then I may consider another long. Guys, I am back in the trade, back in business. Stop loss under the low. We are currently pushing back above the 0.88. TP levels are... I'm going to be my stop loss a lot tighter, just to protect myself a bit more. This I wouldn't mind targeting. We should still target a golden zone anyhow. Or even 0.5 to be honest. Initial TP was at here, but now I'm targeting the golden zone of this whole move, where you can also see there is a high. That would give me 3.8k, which is a 6.3 RR. So let me just move my stop loss back to where it was. We've got a 3 RR trade. I'm just going to let it breathe and see what happens overnight. Good morning, people. It's currently 10 AM and Bitcoin is flying at the moment. You can see at precisely 5:45 AM, price dumped. If I had moved stop loss to break even, I would have been quite annoyed. But left my stop loss there, and you can see I didn't really have a choice, to be honest, as I was asleep. But currently up 2.4k. Let's see if Bitcoin can come and hit the golden zone, claiming all these highs, and yeah, get a nice little SFP. But we're not quite there yet, so that's it. Another trade update, guys. You can see we start to push up. That actually, if I just took profit at 3k, I would have just secured 3k again, which is a secured 3 RR. However, for now, I've just put my stop loss just under these lows, trailing the stop loss, so we either just get stopped out for 1.8 RR, or we bounce off here and then we go to hit the full TP. Still looking for these highs to get claimed in line with that golden zone. We've also got 1.382 extensions from this whole move here. Anywho, what I'm trying to say is stop loss is protected. We could either stop me out or we bounce and we go higher. That's it. Alrighty, guys, a quick update on the trade, and you can see, oh, ouch, guys, ouch. Stop loss was moved to profit, actually. Let's have a butchers. You can see that stopped out at 1.6. So yeah, move my stop loss to profit and got stopped out at profit. So this is why, guys, you must protect your positions, especially when you are in decent profits. Otherwise the market will turn around and humble you. So that brings us to the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed, hope you learned something, and please leave any questions and I will answer them as soon as possible. Thanks for watching this far to the end of the video, and stay tuned for the next one. Peace out, goodbye.